This is called Attack of the Seagulls.
Like someone's marked.
The poor birds are not getting anything. The seagulls are eating a lot. Oh, what's going to happen now? The birdies are saying, please don't eat all the food. Oh look, here come some more chips. Ah! Here we go, Dickie Bird. Ah!
Why the wood no?
They're getting closer. Oh no, it's Attack of the Seagulls. Help! Take the box, I'll hide the box at the window. Not the box, I'll just like wait that one.
And do that.
Two seconds, I suppose, you know. I'll try and do it like two goes that way. I don't know you there, mate. This is called Attack of the Seagulls Part 2 with a full box of chips. Oh! We've had to put the window because the seagulls are attacking us.
How close you are? Pretty impressive.
Cuckoo! Cuckoo! Let them all get back down. I was going to say let them all get back here, right? Then keep your hold. Then we'll
Ended on that.
Oh, there's a big fight going on over there on the side. Fight, seagull fight. Right, now we're going to get rid of them all. Bye bye, seagulls.